Hello everybody and welcome back to visit FYLDE Coast. We're outside the Parrot. We're outside Coral Island. We've just actually been in Coral Island if you've seen that video, and we're going to go and take a look in Bonny Street Market. And I got quite a surprise this morning when I found out that Bonny Street Market was started in 1985. I thought it was older than that, and then I realised that that's 35 years ago. So it's been trading for quite a long time. So it's a general mixed market. I'm partial to a toy stall. I'm just sort of hesitating on my way past. It's a mixed general market. There's 75 stalls, and it's the largest open air market in Blackpool. And I love coming in these markets like this, you know. Yeah, it's full of all that stuff that you love to buy when you're on holiday. Oh, they're pretty. Look at these children's clothes. There's everything you could possibly wish for. Oh, look, a little duck dressing gown. That's natty. A little bit of Cliff Richard on your way past. Or maybe somebody else, I don't know, I'm not sure. So it's open daily in the season. Oh, there you go. There's your Blackpool Tower. Hiya! Hello! Smile! You're on candid camera. Open daily in the season from Easter, and they're open 9:30 to 4:30 every day, and it's from Easter to the end of the lights. It's you don't know where to look, do you? It's a bit off-putting. Clothes, ladies' clothes, and more music, more than soul, pictures and such like. Bag stall. I was going to be rich, but I decided to be a carpenter instead. There you go. More ladies' clothes. Oh, now you see, Chrissy would be straight in on that one. She loves a towel stall, a bedding stall. Oh, trust me to home in on a porch. Little doggy. He's in the best spot there. He's hiding in the shade. Knick-knacks and house stuff. Some more clothes, men's clothes this time. There you go. Get your tiger tops. Welcome to Grandad's garden. I've got one of these that says this is Jane's garden. In fact, it's like that. In fact, I think I bought it off here, if I remember rightly. It's one of these. It says welcome to Jane's garden on it. See, when you get to my age, they stop selling things that are with your name on, because it's all the young kids' names. These are nice. I like them. Very nice. I like that colour. I might come back and have a look at that when I've finished. Headbands, wigs, scrunchies. More clothes, watches, beads, bangles. Now, we last came to Bonny Street Market back in October last year, and the weather was awful and we were in lockdown. Look at these two. Are you hiding? You're hiding. She's hiding as I walk past. Socks, nighties. See, Chrissy had been on that one as well. If there's anything she likes, it's a nightie or a towel. Blackpool Tower. Get your donuts, freshly made donuts, Bonny Street Burger Bar. So you might be aware that this is right next door to Blackpool Central redevelopment area. So ultimately at some point, and it comes right up to here, the Blackpool Central development. This is Bonny Street. Smile for the policeman. This is Bonny Street as you come back to the big Parrot, and that's the road down to Central Pier that way. So the development for Blackpool Central comes all the way to here, But this is a later phase of development, so at some point one would presume that Bonny Street Market will end up being dissolved and disappearing. It may relocate, who knows? Who knows where it will end up? Be a shame to lose it. It's good, I like it. Got some lovely stuff. But phase one of the Blackpool Central development is, I don't know where to look, is bags? No, it's not bags. Phase one is the car park that they're building, which is in the back corner, kind of nearish to the back of the police station. And then phase two is the Heritage Quarter, which is the old red brick buildings that are on the outside wall at, oh goodness me, what's it called? The main road as you come into Central Car Park. Rockstall? Get your rock. Oh, look at that then. Nice tam o' shanty. Could just see Kevin in that. Could just see T-Boy in training in a tam o' shanty. So it's going to be quite a while before they get round to doing the redevelopment of this end. Blackpool glasses. Blackpool glasses. Get your Blackpool glasses here. We've got one of these donkeys as well. One of these. Ours is brown. It's on the tumble dryer. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's Bonny Street Market. So when you're in Blackpool, obviously the seafront is just down here. When you're in Blackpool, don't forget to call in. Don't forget to come and have a look and see if there's something that tickles your fancy, that you like the look of. Loads of different things for everybody to pick from. There you go, Bonny Street Market. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to make sure you've hit that little bell for notifications. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.